Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a maths lesson every week. This week's lesson is about least common multiple, that is LCM, least common multiple. The meaning of least common multiple is the common multiple you have to select from the numbers. From that you have to take the smallest. What is meant by multiple? It is nothing but multiplication table. You have to list a few tables, multiples, but it is called multiples of the given numbers. It can be 2, 3, 4, any number of numbers. And from that list of multiples, you have to take the common multiples, and from that you have to take the least. Least means smallest. That is from this full form of LCM. You will get the meaning of LCM. First, take the multiples of the numbers, take the common multiples, then take out the least or smallest. That will be the LCM of the given number. For example, take the numbers 12 and 80. What is the LCM of 12 and 80? We'll take the multiples of 12 and 80 first. Multiples of 12. A few multiples. The first multiple, 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, like that. Table of 12. That is, first multiple is 12. Second multiple is 25. Then 36. Then 48. Etc. A few is enough to get the smallest common of both the numbers. Now try the multiples of 80. The table of 80, multiplication table. 1/18s are 18. Then 36. Here only actually we can stop. We got the common, the smallest common. Here, so 80, 36. 36 plus 18, how much? 54, etc. Since it is least, this much is enough. You have to take the smallest of the common. Now what is the next step? Underline the common multiples. See the multiples 12, 24, 36. Which is the common in this group? Which will be the common? See here 36 is there, here 36 is there. 36 is the common and it will be the smallest. Any doubt in that? The remaining will be greater than 36. Remaining multiples. So this much is enough to list the multiple. It is very difficult. It is not possible to list all the multiples. Infinite multiples are there. So a few of the first multiples are enough to get the value of LCM. So we got the LCM already. So this is the least one. 3 star among the, so what you will write next? Common multiples, short form I written, will be only 36. Next common will be greater than 36. Any doubt in that? No. So, what is LCM? Is 36. This is the meaning of LCM, least common multiple. By listing all the multiples and take out the common, take out the smallest. It's the procedure of getting the LCM of any two numbers or more. If there is one more number, again you have to write the multiples of that number. Take out the common. So now we'll study the method, the proper method of finding LCM. This is the meaning of LCM. The method, by prime factor method, we can find LCM. So we'll take out this numbers 12 and 18 only. Prime factor method, find the prime factors and write similar to the GCD and write as a product of prime factors. So how it is? 12 divided by, which is the least prime number? 2, then 6, again 2, 3, 3, 1. Till you get 1. Now similarly 80, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Now we can write the numbers and the product of prime factors. 12 equal to 2 into 3. 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Now how you will get LCM? First we take out the common factors. 2 common, 3 common. But only common factors if you take, you will get GCD, not LCM. LCM you will get by taking common factor as well as non-common factor. That is, non-common factors I am putting the circle. 1, 2 is non-common and 1, 3 is non-common in this number 8. Then LCM equal to common factors into non-common factors. When you write the product common factors into non-common factors, common factors write only one time. Is the important thing is not important. Both the two you need not write, only one. So what is LCM? Common factors into non-common factors. Which are the common factors? 2 and 3. That is equal to 2 into 3, one time. This common factor, right? One time. Non-common factors, all factors, which is put in circle 3. That is into 2 into 3. So what is the product of all these numbers? 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 6 2s are here 1 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So what you have to do? Take the common first find the prime factor, write the numbers are product of prime factors and underline common factors. Then LCM equal to common factors into non-common factors. Common factors take 1 time. 2 into 3 common factors. Only 1 time you have taken. Both the numbers 2 into 3 the and non-common. Multiply you got the answer 36. So LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. So if more than 2 numbers are there, it is very difficult to calculate by prime factor method because by listing the common factors, what you have to do actually? Underline what you have to do because all the 3 numbers, if you consider all the 3 together, there will be common factor. 1 and 2 together, there will be common factor. 2 and 3 together, there will be common factor. This common factor should not repeat when you multiply common factors into non-common. Therefore, you will be getting confused when there are more than 2 numbers. For that, one easier method is that is division method. What is that? We will take that is very easy to get if there are more than 2 numbers. We will take the numbers 18, 18, 15 and 24. How to find LCM? Go on dividing by prime number. Similar in the case of GCD, you have learned. In GCD, what you have done? If a prime number is dividing all the 3 numbers, then only you have to write. But here it is not like that. If the prime number is dividing any of the numbers, then you can write here. So we start from 2. 2 is applying for 2 divides 18. So 2 you can write. If which number is not divisible, then don't leave like that only in the next step. So when you divide 18 by 2, what you will get? 9. Here it is not dividing, so write 15 only. In 24, it is divisible, so the answer is 12. Again check for 2 only. If any of the number is divisible by 2, you can take. So again you can write 2. 9 leave as 9 only. 15 also 15 only. And 12 becomes 6. Clear this? Again you can write 2 because here. So 2, 9, 15, 3. Now, no number is divisible by 2. So you have to go to the next prime number 3. Here it will become 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 3, 1. Again you can write 3. Here it become 1. Here become 5. Here become 1. Again you can write 5. Then at last you will get 1, 1, 1. Till you get 1, 1, 1. All the numbers become 1, 1, 1. You have to go on dividing by prime number. So which of the prime numbers are outside it? Multiply and you will get LCM. So what will be the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are 24. 24 into 3. 72. 72 into 5. You can see 5 twos are 10. 7 fives are 35. 360. So what is the LCM of these numbers? 18, 15 and 24. 360. 360. This is easy. Go on dividing by the prime numbers. Clear? Understood the meaning of LCM? Method of finding LCM? It is very important when you do mathematical calculations, especially by adding fractions that we will be studying later. So I think you understood it. What is LCM? It is least common multiple. Clear? So I would like to stop the lesson today. We will be continuing next week with a new topic. Thank you for watching my video, and please regularly watch all the lessons from the beginning. It will be definitely useful for the students, and share, forward and subscribe my channel and keep in touch with mathematics. It will be definitely useful for day-to-day life. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next week. Have a nice day. Bye.